Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's try to create stem. Yeah, I will show all of you how to create a simple stem with its effects. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I will try to create something that have weight 4 centimeter, height 3 centimeters, resolution 300, RGB and transparent. Yeah, okay, now let's try to create. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah. Okay, after that I create new layer. Square like this, and then inverse. Yeah, this. Okay, Control D, and make another square like this. Okay, inverse. Okay, like this. Yeah, look like this. The stem. Yeah, after that I want to merge this layer. Yeah, and now the text will be image. Okay, then I have background like this. Yeah, it's a wall. We use effect this for the stem. Yeah, okay, let's try. Okay, it's so simple, very simple. Yeah, the image of wall, top of layer 1, and then we can use layer and create clipping mesh. Yeah, the result look like this. It's a gray. Okay, now if we want to make a color with the background, yeah, maybe we can create like this. Okay, I adjust the fill. Okay, maybe like this, and then save to JPEG. Yeah, okay, to JPEG. Okay, that's it. Okay, now the hidden this layer, and then open the image that you have color of this background. Okay, let's try. Okay, this hidden layer. So layer create clipping mesh. Okay, that's the result. You can see the result. Okay, if all of you have maybe great background, look like this. For example, I exit before the lesson started. Okay, look like this. Okay, now I will here. Okay, you will see the result. Okay, Control T and click like this. Yeah. Okay, let's this background will be used effect to stamp, distinguish, layer, and then create clipping. Okay, you will see the different of the result like this, and this. Yeah, if you have any stamp, yeah, maybe with vector, then image with two vector, another we can create like this. Yeah. Okay, let's finish. Let's say, and then we can save as two format, maybe PNG format. Okay, stamp PNG. Yeah, that's it. Great. Yeah, if you want to create another oh, okay, this the result. That's another example like this. Yeah. Okay, this example like this. Yeah, you can create it like this and put like this. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.